Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping a clean document and a neutral material. This avoids distracting specular highlights. Open a new 2048 canvas, select the standard brush, and switch to Z Add so your strokes build volume. Once done, enable Lazy Mouse with 0.5 smoothing to steady your hand. This creates smoother curves. Make a light base stroke to establish silhouette. Keep pressure gentle, because heavy pressure adds unwanted depth. This first pass gives you a forgiving foundation to refine. Now you block in the main forms with move and clay buildup. This is where your drawing becomes sculptural. Turn on Dynamesh at 512 to freely merge shapes, and make sure to remesh after large edits so topology stays consistent. Once the silhouette reads well, switch to Dam Standard to carve crisp lines and define planes. Lower intensity to 1020 for subtlety. As you refine, alternate between smoothing and adding detail. This balance preserves volume while sharpening your finish by dialing in small details. Use the standard brush at low intensity for soft transitions and apply alphas for texture where needed. If you need finer control, subdivide to 2 or 3 levels so small strokes hold without destroying form. Once done, use morph or smooth to blend any noisy areas, then render a quick turntable to check silhouette. If things go wrong, project your higher-res detail onto a cleaned base mesh. This recovers shape and removes unwanted distortion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.